you'll need a cup of oil and a cup of flour. This is your roux. You want the roux to be very smooth and not all dry. This roux got to be a dark brown, smell almost like roasted peanuts. And you know you have that consistency ready to put in your gumbo water. So what we're doing now is stirring the roux as we go. You cannot walk away from it because it will scorch and you have to throw your roux away. And you don't want to do that. So what you're doing is just sit up here babysitting it until you get a golden, dark brown. Most roux in the South are dark brown. And if you're making a roux out of beef, it's really a dark brown. So we're just making a regular roux for just a regular, easy sausage and chicken and shrimp gumbo. Alright, our roux is ready. So we're going to sit it to the side. It is a beautiful brown, and that's what we want when we add it to this broth here. This broth is almost ready, and we're going to do our vegetables, and we'll be right back. What I'm doing now is letting our broth come about in our gumbo. And in this gumbo broth, I need to tell you, you want your broth to be very seasoned in order to do your gumbo. So in this, we have 4 quarts of water, 6 chicken thighs with the skin removed. We have black pepper. We have obey season, Cajun season, cayenne pepper, oregano, thyme. Well, they call it thyme, I call it thyme, but it's thyme. Red pepper flakes and basil. We got basil over here. And each one of these, I'm going to say you put about a tablespoon, a half a tablespoon each in this. Maybe the cayenne pepper, not so much. And then you need some bouillon, and I always use the bouillon. Right, in this pot, you have about 4 quarts of water. You're going to have each of these, I'm going to estimate a half a teaspoon. As they boil, you're going to have at least 8 chicken thighs. But take the skin off the chicken thighs, because the chicken thighs are very greasy, and the skin adds a lot of grease to your gumbo. You're going to let these come to a boil and let those chicken thighs get real tender in this broth. What we're going to need some red pepper flakes. Alright, I got okra cut up, and I'm going to put the okra in the microwave to get some of the slime off. I got the onions, the celery, and the bell peppers, the trinity, in this roux. I put some roux in the gumbo mix, and then I got the roux here to cook the onions and the bell peppers and the celery, and this enhance the flavor of the gumbo. A lot of people don't do it, but this is the important part of the gumbo. And the okra is the thickener of the gumbo. So I'll put this in the microwave and let that slime dry out and be right back. We have all our ingredients in the gumbo except the crab meat, the shrimp, whatever you want to put in there, you can put it in there. But at this point, we just have the sausage, the onions, the bell pepper, the celery, and the chicken thighs. And we're going to let this simmer into maybe about 30-40 minutes. And that's what we're going to do. And it'll be ready to add your seafood. But we're not adding the seafood right now, but we're going to add the seafood last. Okay?